What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Supreme week number 17. Now before we get into it, guys, I do want to apologize. I know last week I didn't have a Supreme video. I was actually traveling and didn't really get to upload a video, and unfortunately last week Supreme was pretty ass, so we didn't really miss anything. So Supreme week number 17 is set to release tomorrow, June 20th at 11 a.m. EST. This week we actually have some pretty decent items. You might be able to make a quick buck. Before we hop into it, I do want to mention some bots that have been working. Recently, I've only seen really F3 been cooking the most. I mean, Subbot kind of fell off. Plugged iOS is not a bad Supreme bot, especially since it's on your phone. I know PD's been doing pretty good. Hopefully Cyber, they pushed out 4.0, is going to do a lot better now. Just in general, Supreme bots haven't really been doing that well. I'll leave a link down in the description below to how to check out manual guide. It's probably going to be your best chance of copying, in all honesty. Now that all that's out of the way, let's hop into what items are going to be releasing. So starting us off, we have a Supreme Super Soaker coming in at a retail price of $48. Just because of hype around this item, I'm going to put resale somewhere around 80 to 120. I mean, honestly guys, I would probably pick it up even if it's just for the hold. I might even pick one up myself just to put it on the shelf. Moving on, we have the S logo shorts coming in at a retail price of $110. I'm gonna put resale somewhere around 140. Honestly guys, I would probably only cop the red and the black pair in these in a size small if you are going to resell. I don't see them doing really good, but I do think you'll be able to make a quick buck. Moving on, we have a Supreme cycling jersey coming in at a retail price of $148. Based off the hype around this item, I'm gonna put resale somewhere around 200. I do think the white and the red colorway is going to do the best in a size small. I think you'll be able to make some decent profit here. I would probably recommend picking up a size small in the red colorway. Moving on, we have the Supreme logo water shorts coming in at a retail price of $118. I'm gonna put resale somewhere around 130 to 150. Really, I don't know how well these are gonna do. I mean, I can see the red colorway doing pretty well. I might suggest buying the red and the black colorway in a size small. Moving on, we have the Water Blaster keychain coming in at a retail price of $14. I'm going to put resale somewhere around 35 just because we have the water gun releasing. I think this is going to be a decent item to flip. I probably wouldn't hold on to this for the long term, but I might flip it pretty quickly. I would definitely recommend adding it to the same cart that you're checking out in just because it's going to save on shipping. Because if you buy it for like $14, shipping is going to be like 6 or 7, so I would probably just recommend carting it in the same cart. That's pretty much it for the items releasing this week. Obviously guys, there's going to be more items. I'll leave a link down in the description below to Sub Community where they have all the items. But chances are, if I didn't say it in this video, it's probably not going to have resale. But if you want for personal, you can check it out down below. And I do apologize guys, this is going to be a pretty short video. It's just not too much really to say for Supreme anymore. But if I did help you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to hit the like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. And definitely check out some of my other videos. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really bout to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.